A developer submits a request on Monday. They're ready to build, the code is scoped, the team is aligned. But before they can deploy anything, they need infrastructure, namespaces, pipelines, access, secrets, and approvals. What should feel like a simple start quickly turns into tickets, handoffs, and waiting. And every day spent waiting slows developer velocity, delays feedback, and pushes delivery further out. One new service sounds simple, but it rarely stays simple. Developers open tickets. Cloud teams provision the same resources again. DevOps builds another custom pipeline. Platform teams try to keep standards intact. Everyone owns a piece of the process, but no one owns the full path. And every delay pushes back features, delivery, and revenue. Now, repeat that process across 20 services. The tickets multiply. Namespaces pile up. Infrastructure keeps growing. And no two teams deploy the same way. Terraform starts to drift. IAM patterns become inconsistent. Pods get over-provisioned. Costs rise quietly. What started as onboarding becomes operational debt. And the more services you add, the harder the platform becomes to control. Vertro changes that. Instead of starting from scratch, every new service follows a predefined path. Infrastructure, identity, security, and delivery are built in from day one. Repos are scaffolded, policies are enforced, deployments stay consistent through GitOps. No chasing tickets, no repeated setup, no guessing who owns what. Just faster onboarding, stronger standards, and a platform built to scale.